Now all crown all massive. Me young. When me just a come, no people never like me. When me just a come, no for them bad mind me. When me just a come, me say no for them hate me. Days after days, white squall that a bite me now. Pam me mouth, me say hungry a kill me. Inna me pocket, me no have no money. Me say studio say them can't help me. Me a go tell you about this youth what them call Johnny P. Him just introduce me to this man Riley. Then me first song me put out name leave me glamity. And you want hear the people them a holla for it. Yeah, them say Charmaine, you know you are the best. Because this year that no girl can test. Then me come with me second tune run go all the rest. And enough of them a worry and enough of them a fret. But the people them inna me community, instead them boots me them a fight against me. Some of them a talk about law, them don't like shit. Some of them say me worse cause she too bossy. She reach pan top and she no have no money. But me no make them get in the trouble with me. Just come with me third tune intelligently. Say me living at the ghetto and me life no easy. And me started to get stage show regularly. Me started to tour no foreign country. Say the first place me go, say that a Canada. So who me work with no yellow man a mass ya. Then leave again and go a St. Martin. Me say shaka me a shaka and a sing me a sing. Then me leave again and tour Antigua. Them say yes she a the best female bout ya. No, leave again and me go a Kima. Them say yes sister Charmaine, me know you are the dan. Me just take a trip up to my country. And I just so everybody them a criticize me. That's why when me just a come no people never like me. When me just a come no for them bad mind me. When me just a come me say no for them hate me. Days after days white squall that a bad me know. Hard to get stage show regularly. Then me started to tour no foreign country. Say the next place me go, say that a Miami. You want hear the people them a crazy for me. One of them ball out, say me want glamity. Me just give them what them want and me please everybody. Then me leave again and go on New York City. And you want hear the people them a run behind me. One want glamity, one want the body. One say give me na the ghetto come me life no easy. Me just give them what them want and me please everybody. Then take a trip come to my country. Me just leave them with the fortune we have the body. To teach young girls pride and dignity. Then the fifth one if you should lose me. Say you hold on your darling or your honey. Then me hear this big belly man really him just touch them and with the jump pop 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 pop. Me just touch a lazy people make them wake up. And I know stage so me started to mash up. Now you know what did be surprise me. Me never know that you woulda get the jammy. Me collect rockers award and collect the jammy. And I guess how everybody them a criticize me. No, this lady she a talk about me. And I scandalize me name and I tell everybody. And I talk about that she a go kill me. But a young and a bring me green. I'm a shining star, me say like after some. That's why when me just a come, no people never like me. When me just a come, me say no for them bad mind me. When me just a come, me say no for them hate me. Days after days, white squall that a bad me. No, look at me mouth, me say hungry a kill me. Inna me pocket, me no have no money. Me a talk them nothing, not me life story. Me say listen to me people, listen to me keenly. No, I can't talk too much cause it too plenty. No press to all my fans them in my country. No, this man and him name red man. No, SIGAM.